Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Carla, and in today's video we are going to be shaving. I'll show you how I normally shave, how I normally take care of my armpits after shaving. That is how I normally detox my armpits after shaving. You detox because of the roll-ons we normally use you to prevent ingrowns also. So stay tuned and we'll start without further ado. We'll start by shaving. As you can see, I normally hold my gillet like this and just shave across. Shaving across prevents the armpits from darkening. That was so quick, wasn't it? Look at that. Very clean. So we go to the other one. The same way we have shaved this one is the same way we are going to shave the other one. So you shave across. And as you can see, my armpits are not that dark. Why? Because of shaving correctly and taking care of my armpits after shave. It's always important to take care of your armpits after shave. So as you can see, I'm done with shaving. So after shaving, I normally use this. This is a fresh lemon. Why? Because a lemon, it contains a lot of vitamin C that will help your armpits to remove excess fat, will also help to lighten your armpits and also to remove the bad smell. So after that, I normally just take the lemon, just as you can see the way I'm doing. I'm in my bedroom, don't worry. So I'll take one piece of a lemon, one side of the lemon, and then just rub in my armpits like that in circular motion. After that, don't leave it like that so that it can dissolve into the armpits. I normally massage in circular motions. Like that. After that, I'm going to leave it for like 15 to 10 minutes. Then we go to the next procedure. Before that, we are going to do the same thing to the other armpit. Just rub the lemon in circular motions as you squeeze to remove the lemon juice. After that, as I've shown you in the other armpits, I'm going to massage in circular motions. Just like that. This will also prevent you from having the growth. Those people have a big growth around here. This will also help. So I'm going to massage in circular motion. After that, I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. Then I wash off and we go to the next step. Continue watching so you can know how to take care of your armpits properly, to stop the bad smell, to stop the ingrowth, to stop the growth, the people who have growth here, to stop the dark armpits. So stay tuned as we go to the other. After that, I normally use a warm water with a towel and just wipe the lemon juice. Just look at that armpit. It's clear. You can even go doing like this because smelling nice. It's clear, it's not dark. So I normally do like that. I love to take every part of my skin care very well. After that, I normally use fresh aloe vera, this one. So I normally slice it into two like this. After that, I'm going to use this part, and just apply it in circular motions too. As you know, aloe vera is very nice when it comes to skincare. So it has a lot of antioxidant, anti-aging, all the nutrients that your skin needs. It is contained in a fresh aloe vera. If you want your armpits to look shiny, look good, healthy, not smelly, yes, use this procedure. So I normally just apply it in circular motions. Then I will also do it to the other side. Sometimes we normally take care of our face and neglect the inner parts. It's always good to take care of every part of your skin. Take care of it properly. So I'm going to apply it again. After that, just take your time, massage again the aloe vera so that it can get into the armpit and work its work. As I've said, it contains antioxidant, and we are also detoxing our armpit as we use this my procedure. So I normally massage my hand like that in circular motions. Then leave it for like 10 minutes or so. If you have time, you can leave it even for 15 minutes. And then wash off. Your armpits will never get dark. Will never have the ingrowth. Will never have the growth that grow from inside. Your armpits will never smell bad. So why not use this my procedure? Without wasting much time, let's see how the armpits will look like after 10 minutes. Yes, if you are not subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. I normally do videos about natural skin care, home remedies that will help your skin. They will work effectively if only you are consistent. So please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so that it can be recommended to YouTube to as many people as possible. Thank you. Guys, we are done. Just look. Yay! We are looking very nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until we meet the next time. Ciao.